Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to spoof and change location on iPhone or iPad on iOS 17. iMoveGo Clear tutorial updated. Connect your iOS device to your PC using a good USB cable. Ensure that the connection is stable and that your device is detected. Go to the website mentioned in the video description, spoof GPS location to any place on iOS or Android. Download the recommended tool iMoveGo location changer from the website. This tool helps in changing the location on your phone with a single click. Install the downloaded iMoveGo location changer on your device and open it. This tool will detect your device automatically. Use the tool's interface to select the location you want to spoof. You can move the GPS to any location on the map. Select the spoofing mode based on your preference. Teleport mode, jump mode, two-spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode, etc. Open the game you want to spoof on your iOS device and check if the location has changed accordingly. Try out different spotting modes like teleport mode or joystick mode to see how they affect your in-game movement. Explore additional features such as searching for specific locations, saving favorite locations, stimulating GPS movement with customized routes and speeds, etc. Confirm that the spoofing is working correctly by observing changes in the game's location. This step-by-step process outlines how to spoof location changes in games like Pokemon Go and Monster Hunting using the mentioned tool on iOS devices. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.